The kids next door are not afraid of anything.
No. I mean, they're plastered noses against the window.
You hear it tuning up, tuning up, tuning up, tuning up.
You will feel the vibrations, even in the grandstand. I'm starting to feel it right now. All right, here we go. We are rocking and rolling with Bob Moats. Incredible jet-powered candle. Last time he was here, he literally blew the signs off the tower.
Like part truck, part experimental airplane without wings.
Kind of mellows out just a little bit.
I call that the calm before the storm.
And then he's going to wind it up again. They moved away from the window.
Feel that?
The temperature in the tower literally just went up about 10 degrees.
He's sitting in the middle of this.
Almost all the cameras are on now.
He sits in the middle. They don't sit on the side.
Ow!
Walter, I'm going to roll you around on the carpet and put you out, okay?
You don't even have to ask. Man. You're about to witness one of the most incredible sights in all of drag racing. I promise you will not forget this. Yeah, and you thought Puff the Magic Dragon was something. About the big end of 715 at 204 miles an hour. Wow. I want to do that when I grow up.